Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today we're going to bring a little fan called the Vornado. It's a personal fan. It has a couple of speeds. We're going to see how well it works. It looks like a freaking engine, like a jet engine, if you can see it. So it's about $20 right now at different places. So we're going to go ahead and check it out and see what you get when you purchase something like this. So let's go ahead and open it up. All right, so you get the manual. All right, don't need it. Then we get the piece of resistance. Here you go. This is a Vornado little fan. It's a little unique fan. When I saw it, I was like, wow, I tend to like this kind of thing. So this looks like a good design because it reminds me of a jet engine. Let's put the boxes aside. And here it is. So you can see the fan built in there. It just seems like it's just more for turbulence in here, but the back of it has the controls, and it has multiple speeds. I see that it has 1, 2, and 3 speeds, so it's not that bad. It's not that bad. 3-speed mode. This is pretty good. This could be adjusted to different ways, so it could be move up, down, and then it has these little rubber bands. I guess it's for the ends, so it won't move too much, but a little cheesy, you know, a little cheesy. Now we could adjust this to a different modes. They have it in front of the boxes how you can move it up and down. So let's plug it in, see how well it works, and we're gonna see if we could raise it up a little bit more and move it, maybe adjust it some other way. There it goes. Move it closer to the edge, so move it closer, and this is adjustable through here, so we can see it. So this thing here is just to move this one direction, and you can't really do anything with it. It's just pretty much, it doesn't go up and down here. It's just one direction. It's just to control the fan. So let's go ahead and turn it on, and right now we're going to turn it on, and that's on mode 1 as it is. That's on mode 2. I mean 2, 3. So right now there's an off. There's no off button or anything like that. So that's 2. That's actually 3. That's the high. It says 3 dots. So 3, and that's 2, and that's 1. So I like 1. It's a little quiet, and I'm gonna twist this way because it's pretty much, you want to make sure you get in a good angle. So far I like it. It's a little nice little personal little fan. It looks like a freaking cup, you know, if you're gonna drink coffee in the morning. Cranking it up. There's no way to put any kind of fingers in there and jam it. We're gonna put it into level 3. Level 3. Not that bad. A little cheesy. It's directional fan, so not that much. It doesn't spread out. It's a direct fan, so not that bad. Slow it down, and then we turn it off. So far I like it. It's a nice little buy. Personally, I wouldn't buy it, to be honest with you. I tend to have a larger fan instead of a smaller one because these things have to be near you. That's the only way you're gonna get some fan, some wind. But overall, this is like in case you have an office, you want to sit it right in front of your office and you're typing away. This is probably the best thing to use it for. But I personally wouldn't use it to cool off if you're in a house or you're in a further area. So this has to be really close to get the actual wind into you. So other than that, if you like what you see, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that like button. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we are out.